It's just saying it's going to get started.
It's starting?
Hello everybody, in today's video we're going to be doing something that's really pretty simple for my channel, but I am so incredibly over the moon in love with these nails, which I'm currently wearing right now. They are metallic, kind of like ornament looking ones. So there's, my ring finger is just red and my thumb is just green, which is very unusual for me to have plain stuff, but the metallic is just so pretty I couldn't help myself on leaving them plain. And then I've got some like candy cane type stripes and some polka dots, and the polka dot nails are actually my favorite. I wish I would have done more of those, but live and learn. So I hope you guys love this as much as I do. This is the Madam Glam Metallic collection, and I can list all my color names and coupon code and all that jazz in the description box below, so check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! Alright, so we're going to begin by applying a layer of Madam Glam's metallic gel base coat to all of the nails and curing that 30 seconds. If you ever have used their metallic collection without applying the base coat, you might notice that it works, but this just makes it a little bit smoother and it really just amplifies the mirror effect. So after that's cured, then we're going to be applying a layer of the metallic silver base, and after you apply it, it'll look streaky. So then wait about 30 seconds to a minute or so and then cure them, and they'll smooth out. They'll kind of just, all of the little lines will soften and kind of fade away, and you'll get that really smooth mirror. So there's the first one. And this video is a little slower than most of mine because I really want to show how the application goes with these metallics. And then, like I said, leave it and it gets so much smoother. Now I'm going to be applying a layer of some matte gel top coat over all of the ones that I'm going to do the little designs on. So that's the index, middle, and pinky. And now to start our designs, on the index nail, I use the color Ruby Red to paint my stripes. And
Is that Mama?
It is. And instead of doing just a straight across or diagonal stripe, I decided to do like a little curvy stripe. And I really love the way that looks. It's so much more, I don't know, it has like a little bit of a ribbon-like effect to it. So there's the first one, and then I'm going to do a second one of that red color. And I ended up doing just a little bit more up in the corner of my nail, and I didn't videotape that because after I had applied it, I decided I needed a little bit more of the red. But I'm going to be applying some glossy gel top coat over just the red stripe. So don't apply it over the entire nail because you want the silver to stay matte. And that way you get all these different textures and different feels throughout this design, and there's a little bit of a 3D layered feeling. So now between the red stripes, I'm going to use white gel paint. This is not gel polish, it's gel paint, and that is pretty important just to make sure that it kind of grips the glitter later on. But I'm going to do a little skinny layer of this gel paint between those red stripes over the silver. So it kind of goes red stripe, silver, white, silver, red. And you get a little bit more of a effect there. So now we're going to sprinkle that white gel paint that is uncured with some white glitter and then cure it. On the middle nail, we're going to be doing some polka dots, and I'm using the colors.
Is this lotion?
That is lotion. Ruby Red and Pay Up. And then
I want to try that lotion today.
Okay, you can try some later.
What time is that one?
It's Neutrogena Hydro Boost.
What does that say?
It says Hydro Boost. Look at that, you guys. We're getting a little unsolicited endorsement happening in here. So we've got those two. We got the red and the green.
You singing this?
I am talking into that. I'm not singing right now. Should we sing later? Yeah, okay. Today, yes.
Later today.
Okay. And we've got the polka dots going back and forth in angled diagonal lines across this nail. And so like I said, this nail is actually my favorite one of the set, and I'm sad I only did one of them. It reminds me of little ornaments that are hanging on like a silver background instead of being an ornament like the design on an ornament.
What is that?
That's my microphone. Then we're going to do all of those and just kind of fill them in, and then after you have that, cure them 90 seconds. That layer of color on top of the matte, or on top of the silver base, really needs to be 90 seconds in order for it to stay. Otherwise, it chips off really fast. But if you do it for 90 seconds, then it's good to go. And now we're going to be applying a layer of the gel top coat over the top of those little ornament polka dots. So do just a really thin layer of it. And like I said, you'll get a little bit of that 3D effect going on all of those. And so after you've got all the little top coat on there, make sure that you do cure that fully. Otherwise, your top coat might run. I would recommend doing a single nail at a time instead of like trying to do the top coat on all of the hand. Because like I said, the top coat could run. So you just want to be a little careful. So now with some white gel paint, once again, I'm going to be filling in just between the bigger polka dots with little tiny white spots just to kind of get a little bit more of a pattern in the background, and then apply some white glitter over the entire nail, dust off the extra and cure. And then on my thumb, I'm going to do a full coat of the color Pay Up, which is like the perfect metallic Christmassy green color, or the perfect money color if you're going for that too. So apply a nice smooth even coat, 90 seconds. and then some top coat. And then after the top coat on my ring nail, I'm going to be doing the other, basically the same, just a smooth single color of the color Ruby Red, which is honestly my favorite red. If I'm going to wear red on myself, this is the one because it is just so amazing. And it's so Christmassy and the whole thing is just, I don't know, so like elegant festive. Then some top coat. And then that is it. We're going to dust off the extra glitter from those nails with a soft brush. And then some cuticle oil, and these are good to go. I hope you guys love these as much as I do. I am absolutely in love with them. I love the metallic quality of them, and especially they just like catch the light, and if you're standing next to Christmas lights, they give you that really festive-y vibe because it reflects the Christmas lights back at you. So if you do decide to do a recreation, please share them with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!